guys, and welcome back to What's Next with Stephanie. Today I'm in my kitchen because we're going to be making some crispy chicken. So let's go and get started. Alright you guys, so here in this bowl we've been having this chicken marinating in pickle juice for about 2 hours actually. So we're gonna drain this chicken and let's start seasoning it. So let's drain the chicken. So a package of sazon, about a tablespoon of onion powder. Let's put the ground mustard, the poultry seasoning, everything about a tablespoon, some black pepper. We're going to put all the stuff in there. We got some cumin. I have 3 different, like I said, I have drumsticks, I have the breast sticks. Oh, that was chili powder. Let's put some paprika. Can't forget the garlic. And some adobo. Okay. So it looks like a lot, but it's just because I have the drumsticks in there. I have some chicken strips in there, and then I also have the breast pieces in there. And so we're gonna keep seasoning these really good, and then we'll come back and show you all the other seasonings and prepare the liquid that we're going to be using, as well as the flour that we're going to be using. Oh, look at that. Nice and seasoning. See that? Alright, so now I just put my chicken to the side. So let's do our liquid. All the liquid ingredients that we're going to use. So in this bowl I just have plain flour, because we're going to be needing that. So for here we're going to be needing some seasoning salt, which for us is adobo. I always have adobo. I'm going to need some club soda, and can't forget, I'm going to need my eggs. Alright you guys, so let's start by adding a cup of flour, 3 eggs, my son loves crispy chicken. He just loves chicken in general, just all types of chicken. So that's why I have to always look at different recipes for some chicken. So we're gonna add some adobo, and for some color let's add some paprika. Okay, and some club soda. Alright, let's that sizzle. Ooh, guys, I gotta get my whisk. I'll get my small one. Alright, so we're gonna mix all these. Alright, you guys, and I'm also going to be adding a spoon of sofrito. My mom makes the sofrito from scratch. It smells delicious. I'm just gonna use 2 spoons. Give it that nice flavor to it. And for some color, I'm also gonna add another package of. So, all right. So look at that. Just one little package. Sorry, that's Maddie. So we're gonna mix all these. Look at that. All right. So I'm gonna put this to the side, and we're gonna start on a second batch. All right. So we got our liquids to the side, and now let's start on the seasoning batch that we're gonna do. So for this one, I think I'm just gonna use the rest of this, which is about 2 cups of flour. So I got 2 cups of flour in there. And then we're gonna add all the seasonings to this. You're gonna have some adobo, the mustard. Again, I just eyeball it. About tablespoon is good, or half a tablespoon. It's to your liking. Here I got the poultry seasoning. Like I said, I have a lot of pieces of chicken, so I'm eyeballing of how much exactly. Depending on how much chicken you're going to be seasoning, that's how much you would put. The chili pepper. I'm sorry, onion. Cumin. We got the black pepper. And garlic. I always put a lot of garlic. I like garlic. No, paprika. Alright. So, it's all our seasonings in there. Just gonna use a spoon. Let's mix all these together. Alright, so now that all these are mixed, we're gonna set up my station to start adding these chicken. So we can start making and frying some chicken. Alright, so we're gonna go. I got the air fryer as well because I'm gonna test this out in the air fryer. And in the stove I already have my pan, the oil heating. So that's gonna, since it's a big pan, it's gonna take some time. So let's start. And we're gonna go. We're gonna do the drumsticks, which the mulos first. Drumsticks, we're gonna just dump it. And they're really good. We're gonna go just to the flour. Coat it really good. Just kind of dust off any excess. We're gonna go dunk again. And then we're gonna go to the seasoning flour. Alright. So I'm gonna also test out the air fryer. Oh, you know what? Someone had suggested that when I do chicken or some crispy chicken, to try some cooking spray in the air fryer so it won't stick. So let's see if that works. This is all I have. So hand, please. Let's see. If it works, we'll continue using it. If it doesn't, don't use it. Alright, so I'm just doing the same thing for all the, going to be doing the same thing for all the chicken. So the drumsticks, again, just go and coat it in your flour, and then redunk it in your in the wet seasoning, and then go over to your flour seasoning. Just make sure it's coated really good. But let's just kind of dust off any other flour. You don't want it too much. Alright, so I just put 3 in here. So I'm going to go ahead and just stick this in there and then continue the process with everything else. Alright, so I put my chicken in there. In the air fryer, I put 3 pieces. Remember that I put my little Latin flavor in here. This is not your typical crispy chicken recipe. I put the sazon, adobo, and I added some sofrito. So, I can't go without my my sofrito and sazon and adobo. I love all that. That's what I cook with. That's what I'm used to. That's what we've always cooked with. So, again, I'm doing the same process to all the chicken. Got the big one. Alright. Now we're going to just coat it right. Get that seasoning in there. I'm gonna do this to all of it, and then we'll go ahead and I want to do the
That's for the chicken sandwiches, right?
Yeah, if I can find the other pretty big piece. Here you go. Yep. These the chicken breast, the big pieces, it's for the chicken sandwiches. And then we got the little pieces of chicken. It's for Madison. So we got some little pieces too. Just make sure it's coated very well. Again, okay, so let's put this one. Ooh. There you go. Like I said, just depending on how thick your chicken is, well, it'll depend on how long you leave it. Like I said, 3 to 5 minutes in each side should be good. I fried them for 5 minutes on each side. This one's a little bit thicker, that's why I left it for 5 minutes. But depending on, this one looks like a lobster. Depending on how thick your chicken is, that's how long you should fry it for. So these pieces right here that I'm taking out have been frying for 5 minutes on each side. All these little pieces in there. I hope that I put 3 drumsticks in the air fryer. Let's see how that turns out. I haven't done it. You know what? These, since they're really tiny, see, I'll do 3 minutes on each side because those should cook very fast. Except for these, like this is a drumstick, so this is going to take longer to fry. Some mayonnaise. 2 good sized spoons. It's just for my husband's, for his sandwich. I got mayonnaise. I'm going to put some pickle juice. some chili powder. Some hot sauce. You can use any hot sauce if you wanted to do this. Over there I just have a plate of a couple of things just to, oh my goodness. I might have to use a little bit more mayonnaise, let's see. My husband likes a lot of hot sauce. So, just a quick little sauce just to go with his sandwich. Air fryer stopped. So let's see how these puppies look. Not bad, look at that. So, I'll put it here on the side. See? Whoa, almost dropped the drumstick. I'll put it like this so you can see the difference between them being fried and them being in the air fryer. All right. I'm just gonna assemble the sandwiches. I'm gonna add some sauce. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I told you before, I am not a chef. I just let you guys know what I'm making for dinner that day, and I hope you like. Thank you to all my new subscribers, and please continue to thank you for supporting my channel. Just assembling over here. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you so much. Ooh, almost forgot the pickles. It's hard to assemble and talk at the same time. Didn't want to forget anything. But thank you so much for also sharing my look at that. I am assembling them in different ways. Guess what I forgot to put on the other one? Some onions. But thank you so much for hitting like, and again, and for those of you who don't like it, this is a family channel, so yes, I'm sorry, sometimes you are going to hear my kids in the background, but I do a lot of stuff with my kids as well, because like I said, I'm not a chef. I do do a lot of cooking videos, but oh my goodness, look at these sandwiches. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. I took the garlic bread out of the oven, so I'm just gonna get the kids their plates ready and get everything all set so we can go and have some dinner. So I hope you enjoyed it. Continue giving me a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you didn't like it, but please comment and let me know what you didn't like and what you did like. And again, thank you, and I hope everyone stays safe and stay having fun with your families. Bye.
Showing the chicken.
Showing the chicken, of course. Show the chicken.
That's a lot of chicken.
It's a lot of chicken.
And that's the garlic bread over there.
Garlic bread, yes.
Okay, so.
All right.